Alright? Here's one fact about the life of a duck. It takes 18 to 21 days for a duck to hatch from its egg. During that time, the duckling is growing and developing inside the egg. Its heart is beating, its lungs are expanding, and its brain is rapidly developing. The duckling is getting bigger and stronger every day until finally it is ready to hatch. When the duckling is almost ready to hatch, it starts to make a hole in the egg using its beak. It pecks at the egg, and as it does, a small crack appears. With enough force, the duckling can break through the shell and be born. When the duckling hatches, it is wet and cold. It needs to dry off and get warm as soon as possible. Otherwise, it could die of hypothermia. So the duckling waddles over to the heat source, usually its mother, and snuggles up to her for warmth. After the duckling has dried off and warmed up, it is ready to explore its new home. It waddles around, looking for food and water. A duck's diet consists of aquatic invertebrates, plants, and sometimes fish. They use their bills to scoop up food and then swallow it whole. As the duckling gets older, it will start to swim, and it will also start to fly. At first, the duckling will only be able to fly short distances. But as it gets older and stronger, it will be able to fly much farther. A duck's life cycle is amazing. From the moment it hatches until it is fully grown, the duck goes through many changes. The duckling that was once small and helpless is now a strong, beautiful bird that is ready to take on the world. Now here's one more fact about the life of a duck. Even though ducks can live in both fresh and salt water, they cannot drink salt water. If a duck accidentally drinks salt water, it will become dehydrated and could die. That's why ducks that live near the ocean have to get their water from other sources, such as rivers and lakes. Some ducks have adapted to life near the ocean by developing specialized glands that remove excess salt from their body. These glands are located near their eyes, and they secrete a salty fluid that contains about half as much salt as seawater. By getting rid of the salt in their bodies, these ducks are able to survive and thrive in some of the saltiest environments on Earth. Okay, here's your last fact about the life of a duck. Ducks are polygamous, which means that a male duck may mate with several females during a single breeding season. In some cases, a male duck will form a pair bond with a female duck and they will mate for life. However, this is not always the case. Sometimes a male duck will mate with several females without forming a pair bond. This behavior allows the male duck to spread his genes to as many females as possible. It also gives the females a chance to choose the best mate. The male ducks often compete with each other for the opportunity to mate with a female. They may engage in ritualized fighting, such as wing flapping and bill snapping, to establish dominance. The winner of the fight will have the opportunity to mate with the female. Once a female duck is ready to mate, she will release a pheromone that signals her readiness. The male ducks will compete with each other to see who can reach her first. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.